In front of me is OPPO RENO12 FS, and today I would like to show you how you can change sleep time to never. Begin by opening Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Then type in caffeine, keep screen on, and get this app from this developer. When it's ready, launch it. Hit OK in the pop-up and make sure that timeout is set to infinite. When you're ready, go to the Tap menu. Use those three dots at the top right corner to select Edit Tiles option. Find your new tile under More Functions and add it to your current menu. Then go back and tap on your new shortcut to activate it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!